Good morning everyone. So I'm back with another Tobago review, and a lot of people are always asking for me to see more budget alternatives instead of very large villas and that kind of stuff. So today, just 2 minutes from the airport, we're checking out Sunspree Resort. And right here you can see all the car park area, and there's also a car park with plenty of space right next door and a lot of land. So let's go inside and check it out. As you come through this spot here, you'll see that there's a beautiful pool area. There's also a lovely garden if you want to go for a walk in the morning, sit and have your coffee and just relax with the birds, or in the evening. But from here I'm going to take you upstairs to the room I'm staying in. So there's a few different rooms when you come to stay here at Sunspree. There's standard rooms available from 450 TT, deluxe rooms available from 650, and the suites, which I am staying in, that start at 750 TT, all taxes included. Now the rooms are all set up for 2 persons. You can inquire to management in the event you may have a child or something of that nature, but generally speaking, it's a 2-person setup. The beds are extremely comfortable. There's a lovely modern bathroom. Now these suites have recently been done over, and they're also in the process of doing over a lot of the other rooms on the compound. And it is really comfortable. I did sleep here last night, so it's very much fit for a couple coming to relax and chill out. They also have Trini Surfer showing on television, which I think is a big plus. And then from there, you could either come to your general sitting area, which is also very lovely, and you get a little balcony with a garden view outside. So you could come here and have your coffees in the morning or evening, and you get a nice view, and there's a lovely breeze blowing. So I really like that fact. From there, let's go back inside. And in the cupboard in the corner here, the room does come equipped. You have a safe, a kettle, microwave, and a mini fridge to store anything like that. Right guys, so I hope you've enjoyed this little tour giving you of Sunspree, and now we're going to head to the Attic, which is the restaurant on site. So it's not the hotel's restaurant, but they happen to be on the same property. So that is where we're going to go and have dinner. I'm going to meet some friends there, show you what kind of food you could get if you're feeling for a nice night out, or even breakfast and lunch when you're at Sunspree Resort. So let's go and check it out. So as you can see, it's quite dark, but when you come to the front of the car park here, there's a bar downstairs. But we're gonna head up the stairs to, again, the attic.
Right. So you scored reach,
He squad.
Stop.
You did?
Stop showing people secret gems and stuff.
You're blind.
Hi, good night. Welcome to the attic. These are your cocktail menus and your dinner menu. You can order from both sides.
Okay, thank you.
So I will have both sides.
Funny. So, shrimp cocktail, Richie table, tandoori chicken, Anna, is that what that is?
It is.
It is.
Good stuff.
My ceviche.
Ceviche,
Yeah.
David.
Ceviche.
Ceviche as well. Only ain't get no food, but my boy there. You have
Rum punch.
that's a rum punch?
Yes.
And some wine.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You good?
Excellent.
Nice.
My goodness.
Anna, let me see that tandoori chicken.
Yeah, look at that. Beautiful.
You dip in it?
Yummy? Nice. Alright, Ariel.
Let me try. Mm-hmm. The real way.
I need sometimes to think. Like that. Well done. Put together in the center. Nice. Susie, how are we eating it?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Was that pork?
Pork chops,
Chop.
butter cassava, and veggies.
Wow.
You should know.
My boy, how are we doing over there?
This is awesome.
What is
Awesome.
Mashed potatoes, chicken breast, salted veg,
that? Okay.
flavorful.
Awesome. Let's see.
Steak.
Steak.
Yeah.
Move it.
Steak.
How is steak tasting?
Really good. Really good.
Very good.
Yeah, very tasty.
Then send it up.
Seafood platter
Food platter.
with cassava, mashed, and good rice here.
Shovel some in your mouth.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Last and definitely least, Anna, she shrimps.
Like shrimp.
Oh, the
With
shrimp stays in.
vegetables and basmati.
Nice.
Oh, this is good.
Very good.
Very good. Alright, so this is BB, Master Chef and owner. Anything to say to the
Hi,
people?
good evening. I want all of you guys to come and enjoy Attic,
Yeah?
which is located in Sunspree. We have all different varieties of food and we have exotic cocktails. Please come and enjoy. Thank you.
And we already did enjoy it, so thank you and we go
Thank
come
you.
back.
Welcome.
Yes,
Thank
bye.
you.
Thanks.
Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of the beautiful Sunspree Resort. It really is a fantastic place. All the information on our website is down below in the comments for you to find out. Just 2-minute drive from the airport is extremely convenient, super close to Pigeon Point, and all the popular areas and food are in and around this part of Tobago. So check them out, come and stay here. It's a great alternative, very affordable, very comfortable, and I don't think you could go wrong. Even the nice little restaurant upstairs provides some of the best food I have tasted on Tobago's island. The chef got a real cook. So come and stay here, take it in, and thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Blessings.